back. I'm back with a new video. Third, this is the hair that I wanted to do in my last video that let's not even go back. We're moving forward. I got the hair that I really wanted to do. Yes, I purchased this hair on online at hairstopandshop.com. Shout out hairstopandshop.com. They had it for, oh, I got to go look up the price, but I'll post that on the video. It was reasonable. Had the color I wanted, shipped quickly, like the next day. I think my hair was in the mail. That's what I'm talking about, you know. I really wanted to try this hair because it's kind of unique. I mean, pre-sectioned is nothing unique, but I had never seen it on like this, on these little dividers. Already, all you gotta do is open them up and pick them up one by one. I thought that was really cool, and I really wanted to try that. So, finally got me some. The style that I purchased is right here, the Deep Wave 56 inches, and it is long. It's hitting me right at my waist. I don't normally wear long hair, but I haven't worn it in a long time. But I did want to try this, and let me show you how it works. So here is the hair out of the plastic. We gonna see how easy this is to use. Take the netting off. It comes in 3 bundles of 10 strands each. I already divided for you, so it's 30 strands per pack. And what I did was just take off, I have 2, I forgot to mention that I have 2 packs already installed. I'll just take them off the cardboard like that. See, it shows pick up one by one. It kind of gives, for challenged people as myself, it kind of gives you all the directions, instructions. See right there, it says top, right there. Right there, it says top side. So you know to hold it like this. Also right there, it shows you top side. And just open it up. And there is your hair. Look at that. There is your hair all pre-sectioned. All you got to do is pull off one at a time. This is the curl pattern. Basically a deep twist curl pattern. And we're going to install, of course I'm using my stay crochet because my hair is really thin right now. Let's see, I had some spots on this side I need to fill in. Going under my hair and under the crochet wig cap. I'm going to pull that through once. I am going to pull it after the loop, twist, pull it through again, and tie it off twice with extra security. 1, 2. And down to lock it. Let's rerun that. Try that one more time because I think I crocheted over the top of a strand back there. It's hard to see in the back of your head. So we're going to pull off one individual strand. Put my hair down over here. Zip my crochet hook. Attach the hair. Pull it under my natural hair and the wig cap. I'm gonna pull it through a loop once. I'm gonna twist the loop. We're gonna pull it back through. Pull too tightly. And tie off 2 times. 1, 2. And snap it to lock. So, I am going to finish the rest of this. I am into my 3rd pack. I bought 5 packs. I don't think I'm going to need 5 packs. But I'm going to finish this off camera and be back to show you my finished look. So don't go nowhere. YouTube, I am back with the completed look. I ended up using a full 3 packs and 1 bundle out of my 4th pack for a total of 100 strands. I'm going to give you a 360. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. I'll probably end up trimming some of this down, but I do want to keep some of this length. It's a lot of hair for the kid. But let me give you a full 360 so you can see it from all vantage points. So, my final thoughts on this hair from Janet Collection is that I like it. I'm going to give it a Marcita V's thumbs up. Number one thing I love about this hair is that it's easy. It's easy to install. I mean, life is hard enough, right? We want your crochet braids to be easy, and this is definitely that, because how it comes pre-sectioned, pre-stretched, pre-everything. You don't have to do anything but just pull the little strands up and install them. You can't ask for more than that. I like that. I like the texture of the hair. It's a nice, yucky, nice, natural feel to it. If you like long hair, it's long. And if you don't, you can trim it down, which I do plan to shape it a little more to my liking, fit my face and whatnot. I will post the colors. I'll check on that and have that for you. I mean, it's a lot to like about this hair. No tangle, pre-divided. As I said, the easiest way to install this is just to leave the little sleeve on each bundle and just pull it out. You're good to go. My only couple of little nitpicky cons would be that, like what synthetic hair have you bought that you haven't had any issues with a little frizzing or a little shedding? There's nothing that is going to keep you from not purchasing this hair. I would recommend this hair. I would recommend getting it where I got it, at hairstopandshop.com. because they were super fast on the delivery. That will do it for this video, YouTube. Thank you so, and a couple more so's very much for watching. I truly appreciate you. I will be back. I'm gonna try to leave this in a minute, you know, but I will be back with a new video as soon as I get excited about some more hair. So please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the old lady's channel. She has some interesting stuff on there outside of crochet braids. She like to do a little cosplay, and I think it's funny. You might too. Subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell for notifications. YouTube, again, thank you so much. That'll do it for this video. Love you, love you, love you. And you know what I always say before I go. YouTube, be safe. Take care. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.